Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Mark here, and listen up because today we're talking travel, we're talking packing, we're talking logistics, and we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of making your travel experience as smooth as possible. We're talking about getting the heck out of Dodge with your people, whether it's a spontaneous weekend getaway or a meticulously planned vacation. I've partnered with Trek Advisors to bring you some seriously killer tips for packing for a group trip. Trust me, these tips are going to change the way you think about packing forever. We've all been there, right? The stress, the chaos of everyone trying to cram their lives into a suitcase. It's like a game of Tetris, but with way more at stake. But it doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a little bit of planning and some insider knowledge, you can turn that chaos into calm. Stick with me, and you'll be a packing ninja in no time. Welcome to Trek Advisors. We're here to make your travel dreams come true. Packing for a group trip can be a bit tricky, but with the right approach, you can make the process smooth and stress-free. It's all about teamwork and smart strategies. In this video, we'll share our top packing tips specifically designed for group travel. From choosing the right luggage to organizing your essentials, we've got you covered. Whether you're heading out with family, friends, or colleagues, these tips will help you pack smart and enjoy your trip to the fullest. So, grab your bags, gather your crew, and let's get packing. First things first, communication is key, people. It's the foundation of any successful trip. Before anyone even thinks about zipping up a suitcase, get everyone together, virtually or in person, and make a game plan. Discuss your destination, your itinerary, and your must-see spots. What are the essentials you absolutely need as a group? Make a checklist and go through it together. Think toiletries, sunscreen, bug spray, that kind of stuff. These are the basics that everyone will need. No need for everyone to bring their own jumbo-sized bottle of sunscreen, right? 1 or 2 bottles should suffice for the whole group. Figure out who's bringing what and save yourself some serious luggage space. This way you can avoid overpacking and make room for souvenirs. Trust me, your fellow travelers will thank you. It makes the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, it's a great excuse to get everyone hyped for the trip. The excitement and anticipation will make the journey even more memorable. All right, now let's talk about packing light. I know it's easier said than done, but seriously, when you're traveling with a group, less is definitely more. Think about it. The less you bring, the less you have to lug around. Stick to versatile clothing items that you can mix and match. Nobody needs a different outfit for every single day. And for the love of all that is holy, roll your clothes. It's a game changer. Packing cubes are your best friend too. They keep everything organized and compact. Chapter 3. Okay, listen up because this is important. Stuff happens, especially when you're traveling with a group. So be prepared. Pack a small first aid kit with the essentials, band-aids, pain relievers, allergy meds, you know the drill. And here's a pro tip. Always pack a light rain jacket, even if the forecast looks perfect. Mother Nature can be a fickle mistress. Oh, and don't forget the snacks. Hungry travelers are not fun to be around. Trust me on that one. Chapter 4. This next tip is all about avoiding luggage nightmares. Picture this, you're at baggage claim surrounded by a sea of identical black suitcases. Not ideal, right? So do yourself a favor and label your luggage. And I'm not just talking about a flimsy little tag. Get creative. Use colorful ribbons, stickers, duct tape, whatever it takes to make your bag stand out from the crowd. Oh, and make sure your name, contact info, and destination are clearly visible, just in case. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about sharing. No, not your snacks, although that's always appreciated. I'm talking about luggage space. If someone in your group has extra room in their suitcase, put it to good use. Share space for group items or redistribute weight to avoid those pesky overweight baggage fees. Teamwork makes the dream work, people. Plus, it's a great excuse to bond with your travel buddies. There you have it, folks. My top 5 packing tips for group travel. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. It's all about being prepared and making sure everyone is on the same page. By packing smart and coordinating with your group, you can avoid unnecessary stress and focus on what really matters, making memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, these tips will help you stay organized and enjoy every moment. Now get out there and explore the world. There are so many amazing places waiting for you to discover, and don't forget to tag me in your travel pics. I love seeing your adventures and sharing in your experiences. With these packing tips, you're all set to enjoy a stress-free group trip. No more last-minute packing chaos or forgotten essentials. Remember, good planning and smart packing can make all the difference. It can turn a potentially stressful situation into a smooth and enjoyable experience. Ready for your next adventure? The world is full of exciting opportunities and unforgettable experiences. Follow us for more travel tips and inspiration. Stay tuned for more guides, tips, and stories to help you make the most of your travels.